The new WhatsApp policy has suddenly made many users look for alternative instant messaging platforms. This has resulted in the sudden popularity of Telegram and Signal apps. Both the platforms claim to be privacy-focused and offer users most of the features that they will find on WhatsApp. However, there are some extra features across all three platforms. Here we look at WhatsApp features that are missing in Signal. Star messages in a chat. WhatsApp allows users to star any message they want in a chat. This allows users to bookmark specific messages to make it easier to quickly refer back to them later. This functionality is not there in Signal. Share personalized QR codes to add contact. This WhatsApp feature allows users to add a contact by scanning a personal QR code. These QR codes appear next to user's name under Settings in WhatsApp. Status updates. Another WhatsApp feature missing from Signal is status updates. Status allows users to share text, photo, video, and GIF updates that disappear after 24 hours. The Facebook-owned app allows users to share their WhatsApp status updates to Facebook Stories and other apps. Users can choose who can and cannot see these updates. Customized wallpapers. WhatsApp recently introduced custom wallpapers feature. This allows users to set different wallpaper for different chats. This feature too is missing on Signal. WhatsApp payment. WhatsApp payment feature came out of beta late last year. It allows WhatsApp users to make peer-to-peer payments. Users can add bank account to send and receive money on WhatsApp. Group calling. In beta testing, WhatsApp allows its users to call more than one person at a time. This feature is still in beta testing stage on Signal. Live location sharing. While Signal allows users to share locations through the app, it does not allow them to share their live location. This feature on WhatsApp enables users to share their real-time location for a certain time. See who is online. By default, WhatsApp shows when a contact is online on the app and there is no way to turn this off. This feature too is not there on Signal. Browser support on desktop. While Signal allows users to link devices with a single account, it does not allow users to use the platform on an internet browser. This means users need to download the program separately on devices they want to use their Signal account on.